Okay, good morning mga kabutchi. Today is week number 8 of year 2025 and we will be showing you our variegated gigantum. So, our gigantum is I think already 2 years old mga kabutchi and it's very big na. So, this is the one of the leaves mga kabutchi, smaller one but already bigger than my palm mga kabutchi. So when we first got our variegated gigantum mga kabutchi, it's already a reverted one mga kabutchi. Like this with few variegation and sometimes we got leaves with no variegation at all mga kabutchi. But then mga kabutchi, slowly but surely we were able to cure mga kabutchi our variegated. So this is the second to the latest leaf mga kabutchi and look at that mga kabutchi. So it's already 3/4, the variegation is 3/4. And then this one mga kabutchi, this is already, I think safe to say that this leaf is already 90% variegated mga kabutchi. And then we have the leaves here, so rain is not good for our gigantum mga kabutchi. Look at the top mga kabutchi, this is going to be a problem. But still, I can see that there's the variegation already mga kabutchi. So slowly but surely mga kabutchi, after 2 years, we were able to get more variegated leaves mga kabutchi. So this is already the top cut mga kabutchi. We already have it cut because tanawa mga kabutchi. So before, when we planted our gigantum mga kabutchi, we did not put any support at all. So we have to cut it early. So right now mga kabutchi, we already put support here mga kabutchi. So once the stem is higher than the support mga kabutchi, we will cut it again mga kabutchi. And we are happy because we now have the hope to get a full leaf variegation mga kabutchi. So we are waiting for that moment. So on this vlog mga kabutchi, we will focus only our gigantum. So this is the mother mga kabutchi of our gigantum mga kabutchi. So we have 2 new plants mga kabutchi, new gigantum. And the leaves mga kabutchi, so we have no variegation on this leaf mga kabutchi. We will check the other leaf mga kabutchi. So very little variegation mga kabutchi. Oh, almost kuan siya. Almost nothing. So this is already the reverted one mga kabutchi. So we can no longer call it variegated gigantum mga kabutchi, but this is already the green gigantum. But it's still beautiful mga kabutchi, no? Oh. So mo ni siya ang reverted na gigantum, the mother. So what's beautiful about gigantum mga kabutchi? Look at it. Look at that mga kabutchi. It's all green but it's beautiful because the leaves were heart-shaped and standing proud mga kabutchi. and then very shiny, very firm. So the plant is very neat mga kabutchi because the leaves are all standing up. So it's very good to look at mga kabutchi. It's very firm and beautiful. So let's have a top view mga kabutchi of our variegated gigantum. Antay kita dito. Kita ra ba? I'm not sure, but hopefully it's all seen mga kabutchi. Di man ko kaklaro. So, wala na siya, top view of our giant plants and of our variegated gigantum. It's very big naman good mga kabutchi, oh. It already stands, this leaf here, this already stands 5 feet tall mga kabutchi. Kani siya. Our 5 feet na gid ni siya. Very, 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 very beautiful na gid ni siya mga kabutchi. Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.